नहीं नहीं, नेल्स तो क्लीन नहीं है अभी.
I don't remember throwing a thing in a dustbin.
That's the only issue Neris has right now.
Hey, it's Social Litmus and you are watching our first video. We at Neris campus ask people on cleanliness. Let's have them.
More or less it's clean only. The only thing is that we as a student, we have to look forward. As educated students, we have to look forward and we have to keep the surroundings clean.
It was not clean enough a year ago, but it's becoming a clean place now.
I don't think so. But I would say it's our fault also, the students' fault, because we don't maintain cleanliness. And even from my experience, I don't remember throwing a thing in the dustbin.
Nowadays it's clean enough, but before, yeah, it's clean nowadays. They are cleaning every day.
Somewhat it's clean, somewhat it's dirty. Like some areas, these all areas are most probably you can see it clean.
That's the only issue Neris has right now. Apart from the academics and all, it's not clean at all when you see over there. But it's improving, I think. What I think is NBA should visit Neris twice a year and should have convocation at least once.
नेरिस क्लीन का मामला में तो नेरिस उतना भी गंदा नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं, नेल्स तो क्लीन नहीं है अभी, क्योंकि जगह जगह पे गार्बेज ही दिखता है और कोई ज़्यादा डस्टबिन का इस्तेमाल नहीं करता है.
इसमें अभी तो बहुत अच्छा किया है, अभी तो डस्टबिन से लगाया है ना, अभी साफ है फिर भी, और डेवलपमेंट अच्छा हो रहा है नेट्स का, तो क्लीन इनफ तो कुछ पार्ट है, कुछ पार्ट नहीं है.
It's not so much clean, but it's being modifying. The drainage system should be modified.
At first, when I came to Neris, that was in the year 2010, I didn't see any dustbins anywhere around the campus. But right now, I can see some of the dustbins that has been set up here, and I'm very happy about that. So I think it's coming up.
In my view, like it's developing and it's being cleaner.
Yeah, from for past few years I have seen that it's grooming itself. The institution is grooming and new things, dustbins and helpers, the workers are installing many things. It's grooming.
Yeah, we should be in mass and we should think about it, because if we don't think individually that we should be clean and it's our college, we should keep our college should be clean. So we should think individually than as a unit.
I believe that even the students as well as all the staff and should work together in making our institute clean, as well as there should be a lot of maintenance work. A lot of maintenance work is needed in this institute.
So I can say that college is not only the responsible authority to keep the college clean.
Even students should voluntarily take part in these things, and these beans and all. It should be cleaned every time. It should not be like that. They'll dump everything there and they won't clean those beans.
जो ये क्या बोलते हैं इंस्टीट्यूशन का जो अथॉरिटीज़ लोग हैं वो लोग रेगुलर मतलब चेक करना है whether the thing is going in the right direction or not ना.
This is our second home only, and social NSS is there and social service scheme should be installed much and more, and what he said, that dustbin and all, and there should be, I think there should be one class of education about this, means how to keep clean and cleanliness. There should be one education.
It's all they can give us, the management or the things, but the things is all on us, like how much we want to keep it clean. That's all the thing.
गवर्नमेंट भी पब्लिक से बनता है, नेरिस भी जो भी कॉलेज हो पब्लिक ही है, तो पब्लिक हर एक पब्लिक अगर खुद का जो पार्ट है क्लीन रखना शुरू करेगा, खुद का काम खुद अच्छे से करना शुरू करेगा, ऑब्वियसली सब अच्छे.
That we can't blame everything on government or Neris administration or anything. The steps have to be taken from the root level, and the root level is from us, from us the students. If we initiate a change in our behavior, then only we have the right to blame the administration or the government.
They can go for campaign, and then they can they can tell others to inspire people, and then
I think there should be a strict rule. In maintaining cleanliness, there should be more dustbins around and more workers also.
For me, I would choose clean and green because so far I believe that
for technology, there's been so many improvements and upgrades, but for cleanliness, there has been very less initiations taken.
Of course, priority should be given to the technology, since it's an engineering college. But on the other hand, it should be clean.
It's a hard choice. I think I would go with clean and green because like I love spending time in nature.
Should go in hand, even environment and then technical. They should grow both.
Tough decision, man. I think I would choose technology.
And why?
Because through technology we can maintain more cleanliness, I guess.
So this was Neris on cleanliness. If you like the video, hit like and comment your suggestions below. We'll be uploading more such videos. So subscribe to our channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.